Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato back with Bandanas Online / AMBRO Manufacturing here in New Jersey. We're doing a basic 2-color bandana print today for one of our clients. Let's go take a look at the press and see what's going on. All right, we're doing a 2-color bandana print today on white bandanas. Can't get any more basic than that. First, we're going to flatten the bandana out on the pallet. And we're going to let that go around the oval press. I'm going to follow this around. We're going to kind of skip ahead to screen number 1, where we're going to be putting down the black ink. You can see the black ink going down. As soon as the new bandana is loaded, we're going to cycle the press. The bandana is going to come out with the black print, and the next blank bandana will go under for the new black print. We're going to flood it, and we're going to cut that ink right onto the bandana. And as these 1 prints go around, they're going to get flashed here, which is a quick drying of the bandana. They will come out from the flash, not completely dry, but dry enough for the next color. And as we come down here, you can see these are ready for color number 2, which is right here. We're going to deposit the red color on top of the black for perfect registration. So there's the flood of the screen. Bandana with the black print goes under. Now the red print goes on. And as a new bandana is loaded, to repeat the cycle, the completed bandana with 2 colors is going to come out here in a moment. Reflood for the next print. And the completed bandana is presented. Here we'll take it off the press. It's ready to go. It's just slightly wet. We're going to put it on the dryer. That's going to go through the belt dryer, and it will come out the other end here. And when it emerges, it is dry and ready to be folded and shipped to our client. So if you have need for a custom print bandana, we're capable of printing up to 10 colors. As well as digitally, which is unlimited colors. Our bandanas are 22 inches by 22 inches, 100% cotton, and we print with water-based inks. We're based in New Jersey, and we accept orders of 36 pieces or more. So give us a call.